Alright, let's finish up this video series. If you have any kind of OCD, you should probably just leave right now. This video is going to be very hard for you because it's kind of a fucking mess. Um, so what I've done is essentially saved a lot of really boring screwing things together video. I just went ahead and put all of these panel mount connectors in place. Um, it's really straightforward. They're pre-made um, assemblies, so it's not like we're crimping or splicing or anything like that. We're just bolting connectors on to this panel. It it should be pretty self-explanatory where they go. USBs, Ethernet, switch. Um, then the touchscreen, 7-inch touchscreen. There's just a couple washers or nuts as standoffs, and that's it. These are just fake screws. They're not really doing anything. I just thought I would use them, so I put them there so there wouldn't be holes. So that's the front panel. Now we're gonna connect it up to the back panel that we built before. So I just kind of start on the bottom. We'll start with the power input right here. So power input goes to the 12 volt symbol here that says input. Boom, there. This, I'm just matching square things to square things at this point. No real science to this. Let's just start grabbing cables and plugging them in. Bam, there's some audio. It's a USB. Let's plug that boy in right there. Here's an HDMI. We'll put him in there. Boom, easy. There's a little Ethernet. Put that in there. USB again. Boom, right there. There's high speed and low speed USB. I'm just mixing and matching. No science. Pretty tight fit. I wonder if I'm doing something wrong. Well, let's leave them. What else we got here? This is hardly an instructional video. This is just some jackass plugging wires into stuff. I think I might want to get those USB connections in. Those look like they could be tough. Here's my other HDMI. Wow, wrong again. There we go. What do we got? Got one USB, two Ethernets, and this USB. Okay. Let's try and get it in there again. Oh, it goes that way. Well, that guy, you can go right there. I kind of forget these Raspberry Pis cost like $400 right now. And when I bought them, they were, $20, $30 a piece. That's tricky. Trying to get that cable in there. Probably gonna break something. So much struggle. Go. Yeah, that kind of works. Oh god, it doesn't have to be this bad, does it? Alright, let's put the little guy right there. There, that's better fit. Oh, God, it just hurts to do this. It's so ugly. Goes there. I feel like this was not so hard last time. Did I have the Raspberry Pi on the other side? I probably did. Man, I'm an idiot. Why would I do this? Oh, I feel like such a jackass. God damn it. You know what? I've wanted to be done with this damn thing for so long. Let's just do this. Imagine the Pi is here. Crinkle that cable in there. And now the part that's really gonna hurt people who have like OCD kind of stuff going on in their brain. We're gonna put it all together. You know, just look at it as an opportunity to do this so much better yourself. I mean, just imagine the high quality content you could create for other YouTubers if you did the same build, except you did a really good job. That could be you, but it won't be me. There we go. Snug those up a little bit. Bam. 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 Alright. Grab all that shit. Put it in the box. Just cram it in there. This is the part that I knew people would just fucking lose their minds over. Like when I watch these beautifully done videos and people are all like making stuff beautiful and just taking their time. I was like, yep, that ain't gonna be me. I'm just trying to get these screws out the back. There we go. There we go. Got that guy. Got that guy. Oh, one of them doesn't want to line up. Well, now, there we go. Okay, so just tighten these up, and then you can put some RTV on them if you want to keep them sealed. Boom, there we go. What are the odds this thing actually fires up? I gotta find a power supply. Are you a 12-volt power supply? Nope, 5-volt. Are you a 12-volt power supply? Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, I forgot to plug in power to the goddamn fucking Pi. God damn it, I gotta take it all apart. Fucking. Oh, actually, it just started up. What the fuck? Jesus. This has turned into a real fucking shit show of a video, let me tell you. I just have such a fucking mess. I got some company coming over for a long weekend.